Hey everyone! Are you tired of looking at the same old bedroom day after day? Do you crave a little refresh, a little sparkle, a little you in your space but don't want to spend a fortune? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of DIY with 5 easy and affordable projects that will totally transform your bedroom from blah to amazing. We're talking about banishing bland walls, jazzing up tired furniture, and infusing your personality into every nook and cranny. So if your bedroom is screaming for a style intervention, grab your glue guns, gather your glitter, and let's get this DIY party started.
First up, let's tackle those bare walls. They might seem dull and uninspiring now, but with a little creativity, they can become the highlight of your room. A blank wall is like a blank canvas just begging for a splash of personality. It's an opportunity to express yourself and make your space truly yours. And what better way to do that than with a photo wall bursting with your favorite memories? Imagine walking into your room and being greeted by a collage of moments that make you smile. This DIY is all about celebrating you, your adventures, your loved ones, your life. Each photo tells a story, and together they create a narrative that's uniquely yours. Now, before you go sticking things willy-nilly, let's talk strategy. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference in achieving a cohesive and visually appealing display. The key to a killer photo wall is organized chaos. It should look eclectic and collected, not cluttered and chaotic. Think of it as a curated collection of your favorite moments. We want it to look eclectic and collected, not cluttered and chaotic. Each piece should have its place, contributing to the overall harmony of the display. Start by gathering your photos and laying them out on the floor. This allows you to experiment with different arrangements without committing to anything just yet. Play around with different arrangements, mixing and matching frame sizes and shapes for a dynamic look. The variety will add depth and interest to your wall. Don't be afraid to incorporate other elements too. Adding different textures and materials can make your photo wall even more engaging. Think outside the frame, literally. Consider using items that aren't traditionally framed photos to add a unique twist. Add in small mirrors, cute wall hangings, or even funky fabric scraps to create a multi-dimensional masterpiece. These elements can catch the light and add a touch of whimsy. Once you've found a layout you love, it's time to get hanging. This is where your vision starts to come to life on the wall. Use painter's tape to mark out your design on the wall first. This step helps you visualize the final result and ensures everything is placed just right. This will help you visualize the final result and avoid unnecessary nail holes. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create a photo wall. It's all about what feels right to you and what makes you happy. It's all about showcasing your unique story and creating a visual feast for the eyes. Each photo is a piece of your personal puzzle coming together to form a beautiful picture. So go wild, get creative, and let your personality shine through. This is your space, and it should reflect who you are in the most vibrant and authentic way possible. Stand back and admire your work. You've turned a blank wall into a stunning display of memories and creativity. Enjoy your new photo wall. All right, design stars, let's talk headboards. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY headboards, where creativity knows no bounds. The headboard is like the queen bee of the bedroom, the focal point that sets the tone for the entire space. It's the first thing you see when you walk in, and it can make or break the room's aesthetic. But who says you have to settle for a boring, store-bought headboard when you can create a custom masterpiece that screams you? With a little imagination and some elbow grease, you can craft something truly special. One of my favorite DIY headboard hacks involves using old doors or window frames. These pieces have so much character and history, and they can add a unique touch to your bedroom. Yep, you heard that right. Those discarded treasures hiding in your attic or at flea markets can be transformed into unique and stunning headboards with a little love and imagination. It's all about seeing the potential in what others might consider junk. Those discarded treasures hiding in your attic or at flea markets can be transformed into unique and stunning headboards with a little love and imagination. Start by giving your salvage find a good clean, sand down any rough edges, and then let your creativity run wild. Give your salvage find a good clean, sand down any rough edges, and then let your creativity run wild. You can paint it a bold color, distress it for a vintage vibe, or even upholster it in a luxurious fabric. You can paint it a bold color that makes a statement and adds a pop of personality to your room. Or, if you prefer a more rustic or vintage look, distress the wood to give it that charming, shabby chic feel. For a touch of luxury, consider upholstering your headboard with a plush fabric. This can add a soft, cozy element to your bedroom, making it a perfect retreat. Once you've finished your design, attach some simple wall mounts to the back, and voila! Your headboard is ready to be the centerpiece of your bedroom. You've got yourself a one-of-a-kind headboard that will make your bedroom the envy of all your friends. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a reflection of your creativity and personal style. And the best part? It's totally unique and reflects your personal style. So roll up your sleeves, get creative, and start crafting your statement piece today. Your bedroom deserves it.
Next up, we're giving those tired nightstands a much-needed makeover. It's time to breathe new life into these often overlooked pieces of furniture. Nightstands are our bedside besties, holding our books, our midnight snacks, and our ever-growing collection of phone chargers. They are the unsung heroes of our bedrooms, providing both function and a touch of style. But too often, they end up looking cluttered and chaotic. It's easy for these small surfaces to become overwhelmed with items, making them look messy and uninviting. Fear not, my DIY darlings, because we're about to transform those bedside buddies into stylish storage solutions. With a few simple steps, you can turn your nightstand from drab to fab. One of my favorite ways to upgrade nightstands is with contact paper. This versatile material is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast. This magical material comes in endless patterns and colors and can instantly transform even the most boring furniture. Whether you prefer a sleek marble look or a fun geometric pattern, there's a contact paper out there for you. Simply measure your nightstand surfaces, cut the contact paper to size, and smooth it on for a flawless finish. It's an easy and affordable way to give your furniture a fresh new look. You can also add a touch of glam with decorative knobs or handles. Swapping out the old hardware for something new can make a huge difference in the overall look of your nightstand. Another easy upgrade is to add a small tray to corral your essentials. Trays are perfect for keeping items like jewelry, glasses, and remotes neatly organized. This will not only keep your nightstand organized, but also add a touch of sophistication. A well-chosen tray can elevate the entire look of your bedside area. Remember, small changes can make a big impact. With just a little effort, you can transform your nightstand into a stylish and functional piece that enhances your bedroom decor.
Now, let's talk storage solutions that are both stylish and functional. DIY floating shelves. These space-saving wonders are perfect for displaying your favorite books, plants, or treasures, while adding a touch of modern elegance to your bedroom. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. You can find pre-made floating shelves at most home improvement stores, or you can get crafty and build your own using simple wooden planks and brackets. Once you've got your shelves, it's all about styling them to perfection. Create visual interest by varying the heights of your objects and grouping items together in odd numbers. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials for a layered and eclectic look. And remember, less is more. Avoid overcrowding your shelves to keep the look light and airy. With a little creativity, you can transform those empty walls into eye-catching displays that reflect your unique style.
For our final DIY adventure, we're embracing our inner sustainability superheroes and giving old furniture a new lease on life. Upcycling is all about taking something old and forgotten and transforming it into something beautiful and functional. It's good for the planet and good for your soul. That old dresser collecting dust in your basement? It's begging for a fresh coat of paint and some funky new hardware? Those mismatched chairs you inherited from your great-aunt? Reupholster them in a bright fabric for a playful pop of color. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment, get messy, and let your creativity run wild. You might be surprised at the hidden treasures you can create with a little imagination and some DIY magic. Remember, upcycling is all about giving new life to old things, so don't be afraid to put your own personal spin on it.
And there you have it, DIY Dynamos. 5 fun and easy projects to transform your bedroom from drab to fab. Remember that amazing photo wall we created, and that stunning headboard that's totally one of a kind? And let's not forget those stylish nightstands, those floating shelves that are basically design magic, and all that incredible upcycled furniture that's giving us major sustainability goals. By adding those personal touches, you've created a space that's not just a bedroom, it's a reflection of you. So, go ahead, try out these DIYs, put your own spin on them, and most importantly, have fun with it. And don't forget to share your amazing creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy DIYing.